Hey guys, what's up? A quick little update. I know this video is about me installing the resonator. It was supposed to arrive to this house, but it arrived to my old previous address. If you guys don't know, I moved houses, so everything's messed up. So I'm gonna try my best to call them to get the package delivered to. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to a brand new episode. As you guys see, we're in a different background. Oh shit, we are officially moved into our brand new home, and so we got a mess. I mean, damn. Anyways, you guys saw that short little clip before I started the video. I was going to go ahead and install my resonator, but this is what happened. Things always go wrong in this channel. You guys should start getting used to it. Things always go wrong to the channel. Well, anyways, what happened is that in my Amazon, I still had the previous address. So when it got sent to my house, they're like, oh shit, we got a forward in place system. Like, this thing's got to go to this house. So they took it back and they're shipping it to this place. And usually that takes longer. So what did I do, ladies and gentlemen? I bought another one, and that should come today at 10 p.m. and then when the other comes in, I don't know what time it's gonna come in. I'm just gonna go ahead and refund it. In today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and install the OEM Vortech blow-off valve on my G35 because this one that came with the car, I think it's called a MaxFlow, race flow, and the blow-off valve is just way too loud. Luckily with the Supercharged G35, I've only been pulled over a maximum amount of one single time, and luckily he let me go. But I do agree this blow-off valve is way too loud. Here are just a couple clips. Kid you not, is louder than my exhaust. I kid you not, is louder than my exhaust. We need to go ahead and switch that out. Literally, I'm driving next cars, and cars with their window rolled down, they roll it back up because this car is freaking loud. So this is gonna be the new blow-off valve that I'm gonna be installing. I think this is the OEM Vortech one, and this is what it's called, MaxFlow Race. It does have this little thing that it looks like there's something missing on here. I'm pretty sure they took it out here and they installed it on the new one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and uninstall that. That's currently what it sounds like right now, and trust me, it sounds good. Like when I first installed it, I was just in love. It sounds really good. It turns so many heads, obviously, because it's so damn loud. But I think to my taste, I think to the point where I'm at right now, it's a tad bit way too loud. We're gonna go ahead and bring the handy dandy iPhone because I feel like the quality in the iPhone is a bit better under dark light. So as you guys can see, here's a blow-off valve. It's also a Max Race blow-off valve. Has a vacuum. I'm pretty sure this is the one that's supposed to go in the other one. But first, we're gonna go ahead and unscrew this one right here. There you go. Ooh. Once we install the vacuum line, now we just gotta unbolt this from right here. All right, guys, the bolts are off. We should just be able to slide this out. There you go. This gasket is really stuck on there. I almost want to leave it there. So now basically we just have to take this little nozzle right here off and then install it on the new one. So I think this is a 7 and 16. Go ahead and do this. Go ahead and cut this Teflon tape and put a brand new one. Okay, so now we got the vacuum line on there. So we just want to go ahead and install it like this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we are all done. That is how it looks like right now. Everything's bolted on, the vacuum line, the bolts, and let's see how this thing sounds. This thing should be more like the other one was like a, you know, like a whistle, like a piccolo P, if you guys know, but this one should sound more like a wave, like a whoosh, whoosh. So first thoughts, I'm not sure if I like it. It literally eliminated all of the sound. My goal was to still hear it, but not as loud. But now I really can't hear it at all. So let's go on a test drive, see what that's like, and then maybe my opinion will change. Maybe that will be kind of different. All right, guys, I just realized I was recording the wrong way. I was recording for you for Instagram like that. But first thoughts, guys, this thing is super quiet. Dog whistle, this ugly whistle, but it's so quiet. Super quiet. Super quiet. Yeah, super quiet, guys. Uninstalling ASAP. Worst modification in history. Going with the Vortech OEM blowoff valve. Hell nah. It did what I needed. It made it quiet. But dude, I need to listen to my damn blowoff valve. Hell, it's the only good thing about a supercharger is how good it sounds. And this thing does not sound that good right now. It sounds like a Dyson vacuum cleaner. So alright, guys, I don't know about you guys, but this shit has got to go, baby. This shit was trash. Absolute trash. Alright, so we put in this back on. It's gonna be a little loud, but shit, I'm gonna go ahead and live with it because I am for a fact not putting the other one. Alright, baby, we just finished installing the blowoff valve. I think we're back to normal. Let them eagles sing. Just kidding, this is not a V8. Let them Japanese eagles sing. And let's hear this car. Yes, we're back to normal. Ah, yes. I love it. I love it. Honestly, bro, I'm so tempted to throwing this to the trash. Like, I don't ever want to see this. But, you know, we can't just throw it away. So we're actually just going to go ahead and store it for right now. Put it in a nice little spot. Alright, guys, we are back to normal. Yes, sir. This thing sounds good now. See how the sound reflects off the damn trailer? I love it. Did you see the dead duck? Did you see the dead duck? Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and end that video right there. Having that blow off the ladder one, although it's extremely loud, it is a source of happiness for me. Let's just put it that way, because it attracts so much attention. And although it can be annoying to some people and whatnot, it does attract a lot of attention to car enthusiasts and whatnot. And every time they hear it, I get a lot of good feedback and I get a lot of funny and good reactions from it. And honestly, that brings me a lot of happiness. So as much as I would, you know, as much as some people would rather hear it silently, I'm sorry, but I just can't, bro. I gotta be able to hear that blow off valve. I wish it was not as loud, but if that's the only option, then that's the option I'm gonna go with. If there's a medium option, let me know down in the comment section below. But with that being said though, we're gonna go ahead and kick off next video with the resonator, which should make our exhaust a little bit more quieter but more defined, which I'm actually curious to see. We actually got it in my room. I just wanted to order another one, but the second one that I ordered, I got a used one because it was kind of a couple dollars cheaper, and it was gonna arrive the very next day. And if I ordered a new one, it was gonna arrive like 3 days later. So I ordered this one, but this used one is not only is it dirty, but which I mean it is used, but the cut is like crooked. I mean at this point, I mean my new one that I ordered is probably gonna get here already. So I might as well just wait for the new one to come in. I'm not gonna go ahead and use this one, and so we'll go ahead and post that video when the new one arrives. Thank you guys for supporting me and the channel and my journey. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what did you guys think, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out, guys.